Insane! The metaverse will be a goldmine for these companies. Metaverse is the new buzzword about which the entire world seems to go absolutely crazy. This new exciting 3D AR/VR world is brimming with amazing possibilities. Guess what the shocking fact is? The internet is soon going to be replaced by the metaverse, and we will be ushered into a new age, in a virtual reality where we won't be ourselves, but we will live our life by transitioning to our digital avatars. The blending of physical, virtual, and augmented reality is going to take place here, at the great contact point of Metaverse. But yes, for the concept of Metaverse to become a reality, several tech giants need to come forward and take action to enter this space. Of course, by doing so, these top-notch global brands are going to earn mammoth profits for themselves. No wonder why Metaverse is going to be a goldmine for these companies. Well, with that being said, welcome to Metaverse World. The tech space is now bustling with great fervor as the companies just can't wait to enter the Metaverse and yield their profits. Eager to know what these companies are? Before we move ahead with the greater details of the topic, make sure you have pressed that like button and tap the subscribe button to stay notified of our latest videos, as and when we post them here. Also, don't forget to add your views on this topic in the comments section once you're done watching it. Come on, let's jump into the main discussion now. Number 1. Facebook, present-day Meta. Facebook is not a social media platform anymore. Its CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, has rebranded Facebook to Meta to indicate his ambitious plans to enter the space and suck out as many profits as possible. It is working towards creating a high-grade metaverse platform to give users all over the world a taste of enjoying the AR/VR world by switching to their digital avatars. Meta's plans of constructing a metaverse platform just doesn't end here. Mark Zuckerberg is all set to come up with haptic gloves that will give the users the chance to sense and feel the objects they come across in the metaverse world. For instance, if you are playing a game or walking in a street in the AR/VR world, you can actually pick up a leaf or fruit from the virtual street and feel it. Yes, sensations are now becoming a part of the metaverse world, and it's just going to be amazing for all the enthusiastic peeps out there. In fact, Meta is also planning to launch its own virtual reality platform of Horizon World. This incredibly fantastic app is going to provide the users with a surreal experience of enjoying the metaverse. They can go on dates, family dinners, attend shows, concerts, exhibitions, or indulge in shopping, conduct business meetings without budging an inch from their homes. Yes, you have got that right. We are talking about the fascinating digital avatars out here. In the metaverse, your digital avatars will do all the work and give you a feeling of being present in the virtual world. Meta is also gearing up to bring the concept of working in the metaverse a reality. With Horizon Work, organizing and attending 3D Zoom calls can be made possible. Entering the metaverse is going to prove advantageous for the company. Wondering why? Well, this is because it is predicted that by 2030 or 2035, Facebook, that is, Meta's, main profits are going to come from this sector of virtual reality operations. So, now you know why Metaverse can be a goldmine for the then Facebook, or Meta, as it's known today. Number 2. Microsoft. Microsoft's entry into the Metaverse is more inclined towards the sector of work and productivity. It is also attempting to bring the vision of Metaverse a reality. And yes, it has come up with its own Azure-based mixed reality platform called Mesh. The company aims to develop digital twins of the physical world. It has also planned to come up with a highly innovative mixed reality device of HoloLens. Do you know what its purpose is? Well, this special device can revitalize productivity and ensure smooth training sessions when things come to healthcare and education. At the moment, this device is being used by enterprises and business firms so that teams in a company can interact smoothly with their members. Now that Microsoft Mesh has also been launched, Metaverse users can now meet in the AR world to communicate with fellow users, share content, and have a great time working together. We think the gaming sector of Metaverse will bring the company greater profits from the AR/VR world of the Metaverse space. Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Cloud Gaming can be great assets for Microsoft, and these may succeed in helping it secure a good rank in the rat race of the global giants entering the metaverse space. Number 3. Epic Games. Yes, it is that Epic Games, with which almost all of us are familiar. It is the great developer of the popular game Fortnite that offers the users a highly immersive experience. It is all set to invest $1 billion to fuel the growth of Metaverse. The game Fortnite already seems to be the early version of Metaverse. Fortnite already enjoys the support of 350 million users, so you can already understand how fast Epic Games is going to flourish. The concept of organizing Metaverse shows and concerts in the VR world also started with Epic Games Fortnite. 5 various concerts have already been conducted in 2020. Do you know which one of the concerts was the most popular? Well, of course, the concert of Travis Scott created a sensation in the VR world. As many as 12 million players had attended the Fortnite-hosted concert. Isn't it pretty incredible? Unreal Engine of Epic Games may prove to be instrumental in the development of the Metaverse world. Let's wait and see how Epic Games influences the Metaverse space. It would be interesting to see how it uses this treasure chest of Metaverse and draw hefty profits. Number 4. Apple. When things come to indulging in a venture that is in vogue, Apple always maintains an eerie calmness around it. Apple doesn't enter the market when all other companies fight to get into it. Once all other companies flood the market by launching their Metaverse-fit half-baked products, Apple steps into the game later and creates a huge craze among the users in the market. And guess what? Apple enjoys incessant profits as its products enjoy a sweeping sale among various users across the globe. By the end of 2022, the Apple VR headset is going to launch, and we think it's going to create a ripple in the market. Its compact and lightweight VR headset is fated to win the hearts of the users. We think that Apple can even turn out to be the true leading company in the space of Metaverse. What is interesting to know is that even Morgan Stanley has remarked that Metaverse's success and the adoption of this concept by the masses are dependent upon Apple. Just like Apple's iPhone and iPad have revolutionized the market of smartphones and tablets, the same is going to happen in the Metaverse market, and we are pretty sure about it. Apple already offers ARKit and RealityKit to develop AR experiences. In fact, it also offers Reality Composer and Reality Converter. Let's now see when Apple wages a full-fledged battle in the Metaverse market with its high-end technological, highly developed products. Once it does, Apple will have another extra source for generating revenue. Because, well, by now, you too have acquainted yourself with the abundant possibilities of Metaverse and what great profits it holds for companies, haven't you? Outro. Well, with that, we have now come to the end of this highly exciting video. The Metaverse is nothing less than a treasure house, and it will be interesting to see which company becomes the first one to make mammoth profits out of this space. The competition between the tech giants is insane, and so it is going to be thrilling to look out for the companies that are going to extract the most out of this gold mine. What are your views about these companies working towards making the Metaverse a reality? Are you equally excited, like us, to see how this entire event unfolds by itself? In short, how eager are you to join the Metaverse? Let us know in the comments section below. Also, if you found this video informative and helpful, do smash the like button and tap the subscribe button to stay notified of the new video releases. Our next videos are on the way to reaching your devices. See you soon, take care, stay safe, and goodbye.